times.
Well, good morning. Pretty nice out. Today, what I really want to do is get some neoprene washers from the hardware store for these bolts. I don't know, I assume I got to drain the oil out of it to do that, or at least down a ways. So, we'll see what we can get. It shouldn't be too hard. Alright, I went to the hardware store and got some of these washers I was talking about. They're bonded, the neoprene's bonded to the washer. I'm thinking those might take care of that inspection pan without having to goober it up with you know, sealant every time. Because I didn't put any sealant on except on half of the gasket, pan side. So we're going to try those out. And I couldn't stand it. These Phillips head screws, so I got I think 6 of these just to try them out and see how they work. So we're gonna see how they look. Okay, it's such a little thing, but having those slotted head screws in there, it's a lot more elegant to my eye than this. It just looks better. Now I gotta go back to the store and buy some more. So I guess I can sleep at night now. Alright. We got, this is a bolt for the pan inspection cover. And here, let me alright, there's the bolt. Here's that washer with the adhered neoprene. Put it on this way up, just like that. Yeah, worked pretty good on the first one, so we'll just keep on going. Alright, I got them all on there. We'll try it out and see if it leaks like a sieve or if I helped it. Well, so far it's working pretty good. I do have one bolt down there toward the center of the pan that just will not seal up. So I put some goober on it, and there's something to run over, and put it back in, tightened it down a little, and then tomorrow I'll tighten it down the rest of the way and see if that'll seal it up. But kind of running rough today. I think I need to take the plugs out and clean them. The rings haven't completely sealed on this thing, so yeah, we'll have to see what happens. I listened to a couple more of these run on eBay, on YouTube. Yeah, they do rattle and make noise. I just, I just keep thinking this one's quite noisy, but I guess they all are, hopefully. I don't have anything ready to let go. We shall see what we shall see. Alright, see you tomorrow. Well, it's a nice day. Trees are starting to change, as you can see. Yep, just the beginning of it. Oh, I'm out here kind of late today, feeling kind of lazy. I think the first thing I'll do is look under here and see if anything I did yesterday made things better. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, I think it's this one right here. It needs tightened. Yep. There we go. Now, hopefully that won't leak as much down there. I see I got plenty here leaking. But that's the nature of the beast. It's easier just to kick this pan underneath it and ignore it. Yep. So I'm not sure what I'm doing today. You just never know. Boy, I like how that looks so much better. I really was thinking I'm going to either put some cotter keys back in the back end of this, or I maybe work on this that I never finished to go down the side. Might do that. Alright, I went out and drove around the block, I don't know, 4 times, 5 times. I'm getting some oil on number 1 piston. I don't know what that's all about. Maybe the rings haven't seated on that cylinder yet. Not sure. The other ones seem fine, but it seems to run okay. Was fouled this morning and I had to clean it out, but other than that, seemed to be okay. Tightened up my wheels, been checking all my fluids, all my temperatures. I mean, granted, that isn't much of a city block isn't much of a test, but I don't know how far, if you go around it 4 times, how far that is. But I'm going to start it back up and go some more, I guess. Good morning. Nice cool morning. I think we'll be getting a lot more of these soon. Well, got a box in the mail yesterday, and this is what it is. New shackles for the front. Should have got these a long time ago. So, this is our victim today, both of these. We'll see if I can figure out the hardest way to do it. Alright, there's an hour and a half I'll never get back. Man, that baby was in there. Alright, there's the second one from down there. Holy crap, I'm glad you only have to change these every 96 years. There'll be some other guy changing this one. Alright. Oops. I don't want to get sued. Alright, they're both on. What a job I never want to do again. So, man, them things were in them perches. Jeez. If I'd had a bigger drill bit, I could have drilled them out, but I didn't have one. Okay, I'm done for today. I'll put my little, I bought some oil caps for those. But I've had it. Absolutely had it. All right, let's get out of here.